Good morning everyone. Now in the second example here I will show you how to write algo of the problem 5 in which we are supposed to print the largest between two numbers with largest between two numbers. Assume both are having different values. So as usual we will start from step 1. This everybody knows. So step 1 will be always start. Now the step 2, read two numbers A and B, right? In step 3, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to put condition. So for that, if A is greater than B, so the condition is very common. Then if A is greater than B, then go to step 4, else go to step 5, right? So in the next step, that is 4, what we are supposed to do? Please pay attention. Simply we are supposed to print the largest that is A. After that the program is finished. So here we will write step 6. That step 6 will show the stop case, right? So I will show you after this step 5. So now here what you are supposed to do? Now see, so the last step will be your stop. Now again see, if the condition is true in the step 3, then your control moves to the step 4. That means if the condition is true, we are directly coming here printing the largest is A. Then after that your control moves to the step 6. On the step 6 we are stopping the program, means we are finishing the program. But at the same time maybe the condition is false, then the else will execute and it will go to step 5. So that means the fourth step will not execute in the opposite case, and here we are simply printing the largest is B. After that no need to write go to step 6 because automatically the control moves to the next line. So right now see one more example, that is the question number 6, in which we are supposed to print, right? We are supposed to write an algorithm to enter two number and check whether the first number is divisible by the second number or not. So again step 1, we start. Step 2, read two numbers, for example A or B or any other variable of your choice. Now step 3, now put the condition. We need to check the divisibility. So for the divisibility the condition is very common. If the first number is divisible by the second number and if the remainder is coming 0, that means the number is the A is divisible by B, right? So then go to step 4, else go to step 5, right? Now in step 4 what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to print the message A is divisible by B. Then go to step 6, that is your stop case. Now in step 5 the opposite message If the condition is false, that means A is not divisible by B. Then automatically it will move to the next step, on which we are writing here stop. So now you can easily understand, if remainder is not coming 0 while dividing A mod B, that means A is divisible by B. If it is coming 0 remainder, then A is divisible by B, then stop. But maybe the condition is not true, that means if the remainder is not coming 0, so it will move to go to step 5 directly, and we are printing A is not divisible by B, and after that it will move to the next step automatically. So these are the simple way to write the algorithm, and I hope you will write in better way next time onwards. Thank you everyone.